Today's clothes dryers are more energy efficient than ever before. With a few simple solutions, you can cut energy consumption even more. First, after every load of dried clothes, always remove and clean the lint screen. Pull it out and by hand unroll and toss out the lint. But before putting the screen back in, use a vacuum with a crevice tool, a little narrow crevice tool, to clean out the port where the filter goes. This will catch any remaining lint. That's all you need is just 3 or 4 seconds to clean that out. Now, the second tip is to, every time you're drying a load of wet clothes, take a dry, fluffy towel and toss it in with the clothes. Now, the dry towel will absorb any excess moisture and your clothes will dry a whole lot faster.